I have my box here and I am ready to start making things. So let's open it up and see what we need inside. For this one, what we need is we need our sticker book that has parchment paper pieces inside. We need our stickers here. They're not sticky yet, but we are going to make them sticky. And you need your markers, and then you need a piece of parchment paper here, and then you need your tape. Mine's in a package still. And there you go. And you're gonna need a pair of scissors. Okay, so get yourself, oh, these ones are really big. Let's get these ones. Get yourself a pair of scissors. All right, so go ahead, find all your things, and then press play when you're ready. We are going to be coloring our little stickers. We have a mushroom, we have this paint palette, we have some pastels. These are some pastels with a face on it. So cute. A little paintbrush, a little bunch of mushrooms here, and then we have our mushrooms. So let's start this off by coloring these first, and then we'll color our sticker book. All right. So go ahead, press pause, and add lots of colors to your future stickers. All right, press play when you're ready. I have finished coloring all of my little stickers that I'm gonna put in my sticker book. So let's move on to the next step. We need our parchment paper and our tape. And what we want to do first is cover this whole thing in sticky tape. So what I mean by that is you're going to want to stretch it out and put it on like that. I'm going to use scissors to cut the end like this. If it goes off the edge, that's okay. This doesn't need to be perfect. Another one kind of close together. This is going to be the bottom of our sticker, actually. You need about 4 pieces is good. All right, there you go. I have 4 pieces of tape on top of my parchment paper. Go ahead, press pause, and cover yours with tape as well. It doesn't need to be perfect, okay? Do your best to cover this all with tape, all right? The next step that we need to do is we are going to lay out our stickers on top of the tape anywhere that you can. I'm gonna do mine like this. Okay, so go ahead, press pause, arrange your papers on your parchment paper, and when you have them arranged and however you want them, we're gonna be cutting them out, so it doesn't really matter where. You just don't want them to be like too close together like that, leaving enough space. You can go ahead and put your little stickers out. Okay, press play when you're ready. Once you have put all your stickers exactly where you want them, we are going to go in with our tape again, and now we are going to cover them completely with the tape. Like this. Mine has a little wrinkles, that's okay. You want to make sure you cover all of your stickers. Mine moved a little bit, that's okay, I'm not too worried about it. Cut it. Go, so these ones are nice and pressed down. Then, I'll cut a couple more pieces here. All of them are down. There you go. All right, I have taped them all down now. It should look something like this. So there should be tape underneath, then a layer of stickers, and then tape on top, okay? So flatten it all down, press pause, go ahead, do yours, and press play when you're ready for the next step. Okay, we can get ready to do the next step. I already have some of them here that I did earlier. I made a whole bunch of them with my daughters, actually. And I got these because I cut them out. So now you want to cut each of your stickers out, leaving a little space in between. What I like to do is I like to cut them out like this. Get one like this. And then I want to cut around it, but I want to leave a little bit of space past the line. So I don't want to cut it right up to the line, although if I did, that would be okay. But I want to leave a little bit of space and cut around my stickers like that. Perfect. So there I have one sticker. Okay, so go ahead and cut the rest of your stickers out so that you have 6 individual stickers with a little space around the outside. All right, press play when you're ready for the next step. There we go. I have my stickers cut out. Don't they look amazing? I love them. Okay, so let's save these for later. I have tie-dye on my hands. We'll put those over there. Now it's time to work on our sticker book. Okay, so for your sticker book, I want you to use your markers and just kind of draw colors all over it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can scribble it. You can do whatever you want. We are going to be going over this with a little bit of water after to kind of spread out the marker so that it looks like watercolor. So get your different markers. You can draw any pattern on it that you want. I'm just gonna do some random stripes going across because I think that'll look good once I paint it. But yeah, you can start this while you're watching me do it if you like. All right, and you're gonna wanna go ahead and do both sides of your sticker book, all right? So press pause, color all over your sticker book. You can do circles, you can do squares, anything you want, and press play. When you're ready for the next step, in the next step, you're going to need a little jar of water and a paintbrush, okay? So I'll show you that in the next step, but I'm just gonna get a tiny little thing of water and a paintbrush like this, and I'm gonna go over it with a bit of water, just a touch, to spread out the ink and kind of get rid of these rough looking lines. I'll show you. So go ahead, press pause, do that, and then meet me back here with some water and a little brush. All right, I've got my little jar of water here and my brush. I'm gonna get my brush wet, and I'm just gently gonna go over it with water. We don't want to soak it, right? We just want to get it a little bit damp to spread out those colors. And I want to go all the way to the edge. So if my marker didn't reach it, I could reach it with this. So like I said, not too much water. Go back in and rinse it if you're swapping up the colors. This is going to give it a little watercolor effect. There is one side. Blend it, blend it, blend it. See how it kind of breaks up those lines that we had, and now it's kind of like a watercolor look. Go ahead and do the other side. All right, there we go. We have blended it. It's looking like a nice watercolor sticker book. Now we can just wait for this to dry. and then we'll add our stickers to our sticker book. But first step, wait for this to dry. If you're in a rush, you can go outside to let it dry in the wind, or you can dry it with a hair dryer if you want. Okay, press play when you're ready for the next step and this is dry. So here we go, my book is dry. Now I'm just gonna take my black marker and I'm gonna write Sam stickers because this is gonna be my sticker book. So you guys can do it however you want. I'm gonna use some bubble letters. If you don't know how to do bubble letters, you can always YouTube it. There's all kinds of interesting ways to do it. You can just do regular letters as well. Sam's, and then I'm gonna write stickers right over here. You can take your time doing this, you can add other things. There we go, mine says Sam's sticker book, and now I can open it up. You can bend the page back. That makes it easier for you. And these are parchment papers, so that means your stickers can come in and out if you want them to, okay? So what you wanna do to get your stickers is flip it over, and you just peel off the parchment paper layer. Like that. And look, that's sticky. You have a sticky sticker now, and you can put it right in your sticker book, and if you want to take it out and stick it somewhere else, you just peel it off and it's good to go. As long as you keep sticking on here, you can reuse them as many times as you want. Just flip it over, peel off the parchment sheet, and there you go. It's super sticky. There you go. You could even decorate the front of your sticker book. Let's see, maybe I'll take this one here. And you can do this with any pictures that you want. As long as you put the tape down first and the tape on top of it, you can cut out pictures from magazines, you can draw your own pictures. As long as it's a piece of paper, you can do it. All right, this one's a little hard to get off. There we go. This is the back. And then I can just stick it on the front like this. And you have your very own stickers that you made. So I'm gonna be taking all of the backs off these stickers that I have, and I'm gonna be filling my sticker book with lots of fun stickers. That is all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for helping out, and I hope you had lots of fun. See you next time. Bye!